everyone. So I bought something from my friend Carla at Pinky Sugar Artsy. I will leave a link to her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop in the description of this video. So and I really wanted to share this with y'all, and I think the main reason is two main reasons. One, she does fabulous work, and I don't think that she receives the recognition that she deserves. And two, isn't it great when you receive something and it's more and better than you even thought it would be? And that was the case with this. So I went to her Etsy shop to purchase this clutch pocket ephemera holder. I thought it was really pretty, and I knew that I would love it. I don't buy anything just for the sake of buying it or for the person. I want to, really love what I purchase. Even if I support the person, if I'm not loving what they've got, I'm not going to purchase it. So I knew that I would. But when I received this, y'all, it just went beyond my expectations, and I knew that I had to share it with y'all. But first, I want to share with y'all a couple of goodies that she put in my package that they're beautiful, and I wanted to share them with y'all. Okay, so first I have this dangle. It says thank you on a ball pen, and then these really pretty pieces. And I don't know, maybe one day I'll use the pieces. Y'all know how I am. But for right now, it's going to hang somewhere in my crafting area just for me to look at and to ooh and ah over. So pretty. And then I have this that I love, and this will be displayed in my craft room as well. A bunch of appliques and trims stacked up here on this pretty image. She just did a beautiful job. Thank you, Carla. Okay, so here is the clutch. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up. I hope I'm giving y'all a close-up. I'm still trying to get used to this camera that I'm using, and I'm getting another one in a day or two. So, and I know y'all have heard that on other videos, but in this video won't even be released till probably next week. And y'all, makes the pretty crunchies, and it's covered with this really pretty textured polka dotted fabric. I was going to say lace, but it's more of a fabric. We've got this beautiful applique, this really pretty Victorian lady cabochon, pearls. All right, let's dive in. I love this. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Carla, I need to know where you got this. I need more of this in my life. I need this everywhere. I want more. Carla, if you're able to tell me where you got it, I would really appreciate it. So it is closed and held together with Velcro. Y'all can see that the clutch is sewn. The inside is lined with the polka dotted fabric as well. And the paper that she used does look to be tea or coffee dyed. Okay, just making sure I've got everything. Here I've got this really cute little pouch. It's a little burlap pouch that she has decorated with pieces of lace, trim, applique pieces. How cute is that? And in there, I've got this really pretty pin, some pearls, little piece of the Eiffel Tower, and a really pretty lady inside there. Yeah, I know I'm talking kind of slow, but that's just because I'm looking at everything, and it's just really pretty. Here I've got a little booklet. That's a really pretty image. And here a pocket, some really cute little pieces, a little envelope. How cute is that? I know I say that word a lot. How cute is that? I think so many things are cute. Pretty. It's just pretty. Some of my papers that I sent her, I like. So I had no idea that that would be here, but definitely love that she used those that she ordered from me. Love that tool. And this really, really pretty piece here. She made a pocket out of a book page and sewed it, and we got some trim and a bulb pin with a key and a little piece of ribbon, some embossed paper here, and in here some pretties. Alright guys, I know it's a really short video, but I did want to share that with y'all and to ask y'all, if y'all have not already, go check out Pinky Sugar Artsy's YouTube page and Etsy shop. And I thank y'all for watching. We'll talk again soon. You know what, if y'all have not done it already and y'all like what y'all see, do subscribe to my channel. It's really, really appreciated. I appreciate all the likes, the thumbs up, and any sort of communication. It really, really helps, and I appreciate it. So we will talk again soon. Bye.